Hello everyone, let's now try to make a line. For this I am taking the yellow sheet of the paper and I am going to take the orange sheet stripes that I am going to paste so that these will represent the main of the line. This activity is so nice and cute. It's best suitable for the small kids between the age group of 7 to 8. You may require glue stick for this one as Let's move to our another activity. We are going to show you how we can make a honeybee. For this you may require again colorful sheets of the paper and glue. Let's move to our another activity. We are going to show you how we can make an elephant. Elephant is a giant animal. It's so big and it's gray in color. Today we are going to make the one using this blue sheet of the paper. If we will talk about the difficulty level of this one, then it's very simple. You can definitely give it a try. Be careful while you are making use of the scissors. This one is very simple. It's just a bear that we are going to try to make down. For this I am taking some of the markers and white sheet of the paper and glue stick as well. This is very simple and again it's best suitable for the small kids. Thank you for watching our videos.